Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.81. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.16%. This equates to an average return of 0.35% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower segment of the trend is likely. A breakout above the upper trend line at 218.34 will initially signify a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 11.85% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 5.10% to 14.53%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts an 11.03% projected change. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 10.95% to 30.68% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would position the future price between 189.89 and 278.66. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Amazon. The Amazon stock price gained approximately 0.0188% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025. It rose from $213.20 to $213.24. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1%, with a day low at $211.33 and a day high of $213.45. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.67% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 12 million shares, with a total of 27 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $5.74 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices can signal divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, while the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 12.07%, or $29.28, below the 52-week high, and 83.66%, or $1,091.96, below the all-time high reached on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon finds itself at a pivotal moment as it navigates multiple developments. Firstly, the company's advertising business is poised for significant growth, leveraging its extensive reach of over 275 million U.S. ad-supported users and the integration of artificial intelligence tools. This could bolster Amazon's revenue and enhance its competitive position in the highly lucrative digital advertising space, positively influencing stock performance in both the short and long term. Additionally, Amazon is tightening its grip on Whole Foods, marking a strategic reorganization aimed at streamlining operations and improving overall performance. By consolidating its control, the company aims to drive efficiencies and bolster profitability in its grocery segment, which could contribute to more robust earnings in the future. Moreover, Amazon's strategic partnership with the German utility RWE aims to enhance its sustainability efforts through sourcing clean energy, showcasing its commitment to operational efficiency while potentially lowering costs in the long run. These initiatives and partnerships signal a proactive approach that could strengthen Amazon's market leadership. Although the technology sector has faced headwinds in 2025, Amazon's adaptive strategies might provide a buffer, making it an appealing choice for investors seeking growth potential amidst challenges. Overall, these factors could support a positive trajectory in Amazon's stock price moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned a buy grade to Amazon with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that UBS also gave Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, JMP Securities rated Amazon as market outperform with a hold action. Additionally, on Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, Tigris Financial provided Amazon with a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of May 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald reported a hold grade for Amazon with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. Today, the stock is showing mixed signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 2.01%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, the stock holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. There is also a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the lines at $212.82 and $201.15. Breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 14 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 30 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 36 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 5 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $191.10 and $175.26. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this case, Amazon finds support just below today's level at $191.10. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $175.26 and $171. This stock is usually traded at a substantial volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the last day, the stock moved $2.12, reflecting a 1% change between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.84%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential, fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.31. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $213.57. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $191.10. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of June, 2025, Jeffrey Bezos conducted an insider sale of 24,410 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted an insider purchase of 3,827 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted another insider purchase of 3,520 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington also conducted an insider sale of 6,743 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 68.098. Overall, insiders purchased 243,235 shares and sold 1,313,566 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $204.96, reflecting a decrease of 3.88%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, contributing to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of June, we expect Amazon to open lower by approximately 57 cents and begin trading at $212.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.